here is one of the biggest concerns I hear about AI-generated content. Everything sounds the same. And honestly, sometimes it does. The same dramatic hooks, the same generic phrases, the same predictable structure, the same words repeated over and over. But the problem is not simply AI. The problem is that people often ask AI to create content without giving it any meaningful understanding of their voice, audience, or ideas. Welcome to Module 5. Today, we are going to learn how to use AI for social posts, blogs, video scripts, course outlines, and content repurposing. But most importantly, I am going to teach you how to preserve your brand voice. Let's start with a foundational principle. AI should not become the source of all your ideas. Your experiences matter. Your observations matter. Your expertise matters. Your research matters. Your stories matter. AI is most powerful when it helps you develop, structure, and distribute valuable ideas. Let me show you the difference. A weak prompt might say, write a motivational LinkedIn post about leadership. The result will probably be generic. But imagine I give AI this original observation. I noticed that a leader said development was a priority, but training requests were denied. My idea is that employees evaluate priorities by watching resource allocation, not speeches. That is intellectual raw material. Now I can ask, help me turn this observation into a LinkedIn post for senior leaders. Preserve the central argument that resource allocation reveals real priorities. Develop the idea in a thoughtful, direct tone. Do not use motivational cliches. Can you see the difference? The idea begins with you. AI helps develop the communication. Human insight leads to AI assistance and human review. Now let's talk about brand voice. I want to introduce what I call the voice training prompt method. We will use the word VOICE. V stands for voice samples. Give AI examples of your actual communication. 3 to 5 examples can be a useful starting point. O stands for observe. Ask AI to analyze patterns. Identify patterns in sentence length, tone, vocabulary, and storytelling. Do not rewrite anything yet. First, observe. I stands for instructions. Turn the observations into a voice guide. Ask, based on the analysis, create a practical brand voice guide. Now you have something reusable. C stands for constraints. Tell AI what should not happen. Do not use corporate jargon. Do not overuse emojis. Do not make exaggerated claims. Your constraints are part of your voice. Finally, E stands for evaluate. Generate content, then evaluate it. Score the draft for alignment with your voice guide. Rewrite only the generic sentences. That is the VOICE method. Now let us look at content applications. Social posts. Specify platform, audience, objective, tone, and length. Ask for strategic options before drafting. Blog outlines. Create an outline for a long-form article. Start with the problem. Explain why common approaches fail and introduce the core framework. Video scripts. Think about retention. Open with a problem. Establish why it matters. Teach clear points and end with a specific action. Use natural spoken language. Course outlines. I can help you sequence learning. Organize the curriculum from foundational understanding to practical application. Ask for a learning progression. Repurposing. This is where AI can create extraordinary leverage. One 30-minute podcast transcript can generate multiple content opportunities. But repurposing does not mean copying and pasting. Use AI to adapt, not simply duplicate. Different platforms have different consumption behaviors. Here is your exercise. Create your own voice training prompt. Choose 3 to 5 writing samples. Use the VOICE process. Create your first brand voice guide. This is how you use AI without disappearing. Your voice is how you consistently see, interpret, and communicate ideas. Protect that. Develop it. In Module 6, we address the final skill: evaluation, fact-checking, bias, privacy, and safety. Determine whether the answer deserves to be trusted. I'll see you there. I'll see you in Module 6.